After each homeopathic consultation, you'll receive directions on what homeopathic remedies to take, when, how, and for how long to take them. Before taking any remedies, please watch how to mix your homeopathic remedies. To begin, take the prepared remedy bottle into your hand and succuss it 2 to 3 times before every dose. A drop dose means taking drops of the remedy solution by mouth. An olfactory or sniff dose means you'll take one big sniff directly from the remedy bottle, like smelling a flower. To dilute your remedy further into dosage cups, please watch how to make dosage cups.